A free AI chat that needs zero sign-up just appeared and it works right in your browser. This is Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 145. DuckDuckGo just launched Luna, a free AI chat that opens straight in your browser with nothing to create or remember. You type a question and it answers right away, then forgets everything the moment you close the tab. Think of it like borrowing a notebook from the library that erases itself after you finish reading. Most AI chats ask for an email or phone number first, but Luna skips that step completely, so students and curious beginners can jump in during a study break. The tool uses the same kind of language model that powers other chats, yet it keeps every conversation private by default and deletes the history automatically. That matters because it removes the usual worry that old questions might shape future answers or get saved somewhere. For you, it means you can ask about photosynthesis, brainstorm a story idea, or check a quick fact without extra accounts or permission hurdles. Open your browser, head to the DuckDuckGo site, look for the AI chat option in the search bar, and type something like, "Explain how a battery works in simple terms." Keep chatting as long as you like and close the tab when you are done. The service positions itself as a quick utility rather than a long-term commitment, showing how AI tools are becoming easier to reach for everyday people. Here is the part that sets this show apart from quick news updates. We are going to walk through exactly how these chats build their answers, one piece at a time, using an everyday habit you already know. You know how your phone sometimes guesses the next word while you are texting a friend? Now stretch that same idea across an entire back and forth conversation instead of one short sentence. The AI looks at every word you have typed so far, checks patterns it learned from billions of other sentences, and picks what feels like the most natural next piece. It repeats the process over and over, building each new word based on everything that came before in the chat. At the same time, it keeps track of the overall topic so the answers stay on track instead of drifting into random territory. When the model sees the word photosynthesis, it does not just recall a definition. It pulls the most likely follow-up words that match how people usually explain the process in textbooks or videos. Each new sentence is shaped by the growing context, so the explanation stays consistent from start to finish. The simple loop of look at what came before, predict what comes next, is the core of how these tools create their replies. That step-by-step prediction is why the answers often feel smooth and connected, even though the system is only choosing one piece at a time. Once you see the pattern, the whole process stops feeling mysterious and starts feeling like a very fast, very well-read autocomplete that remembers the thread. ChatGPT now lets you upload a photo or describe an idea and instantly turn it into a sticker you can save and use in messages. It works by taking your input and generating a small, transparent image that feels like a fun emoji version of whatever you described. Go to the ChatGPT site on your phone or laptop, start a new chat, and type something like, "Make a sticker of my dog wearing sunglasses." Upload a photo if you prefer, ask it to turn the subject into a sticker, then download the result and add it to your messaging app collection. The feature turns everyday snapshots into shareable graphics without needing extra design software. ChatGPT and Gemini both have camera features that let you point your phone at real objects and ask questions about them. One might notice small details faster, while the other gives clearer explanations, so testing them side by side shows which one feels more useful. Open both apps, point the camera at something nearby like a snack package or a houseplant, and ask the same question in each one. Notice which one gives more helpful details for your needs, whether you are shopping or just exploring. The side-by-side test reveals practical differences in how each system processes visual information in real time. A simple setting in most chatbot apps lets you turn off data sharing so your conversations stay private and are not used to improve the system later. It takes less than a minute and gives you more control over what information stays yours. Check the option in the Account or Privacy menu to prevent your questions from becoming part of future training data. Alibaba released a new video tool that turns text descriptions or uploaded PDFs into short clips. You can type an idea or share a document and receive a 30-second video that turns the content into moving visuals. The tool accepts text, PDFs, and presentation files as starting points, giving students a fast option for creating animated explanations without learning video editing software first. And that is a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, huh, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at NARA Network. Links in the show notes. This show comes to you from the NARA Network. If you want another sharp daily briefing, Offshore North has you covered. Offshore ocean racing explained every Monday with a Canadian angle. All our shows are free at naranetwork.com. Prefer reading? Today's full write-up, sources, and transcript are on the episode blog at naranetwork.com. Same briefing, readable format. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.